to this new episode towards a smarter lifestyle. Today in this video, I'm gonna introduce you to a smart gadget to make coconut scraping easy. Before getting into the details of it, let's see some of the health benefits of the coconut. Did you all know that the coconut is a superfood? Yes, indeed, with so many health benefits. It's a highly nutritious fruit. They mostly contain healthy fat, protein, several important minerals, and small amounts of B vitamins. Coconut has anti-diabetic effects, possibly due to its arginine content. Arginine is an amino acid that's important for the functioning of pancreatic cells, which release the hormone insulin to regulate your blood sugar levels. The high fiber content of coconut meat can also help slow digestion and improve insulin resistance, which can help regulate blood sugar levels as well. It's a rich source of powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants found in coconut oil may help protect cells from damage and death caused by oxidative stress and chemotherapy. What more? Coconut is definitely a superfood with its antimicrobial properties. The medium chain fatty acids in coconut oil have antimicrobial properties that can help protect against harmful microorganisms. This is especially important for skin health, as many types of skin infections, including acne, cellulitis, folliculitis, and athlete's foot, are caused by bacteria or fungi. Thank God, with all its benefits, it's an unavoidable ingredient in our Indian, especially South Indian cooking. Scraped coconut or the extracted coconut milk adds a nice flavor to savory dishes. Its meaty texture and flavor works well in curries, stews, rice dishes, or even sweet desserts like our payasam. Can we imagine our puttu, idiyappam and chutneys without the use of coconut? Impossible. But the traditional method of grating coconut is quite tiresome, and the reason behind many of the households excluding these menus from their regular list. Most of us compromise by excluding coconut from our dishes or by using store-bought frozen products and coconut milk, which may come with adulterated ingredients as well. Why get into the trouble or miss out on this wonder fruit when technology knocks at your doorsteps? Here in this video, we present an excellent option to make your coconut scraping easy. Please sit back and enjoy the video. This is Wise Coconut Scraper.
It has a 100 watts powerful motor, easy to use buttons and knob, compact size, simple accessibility, less sound and marvelous performance. Coconut scraping used to be difficult back then. But as the scraper works on electricity, comparatively it requires less effort. It looks stylish and functions smoothly. More importantly, it is very easy to handle and provides grated coconut that is as same as the one from a traditional coconut scraper. This machine is the answer to safety meeting elegance. Make sure the surface as well as the machine's bottom is clean, and then place the Wise Coconut Scraper on a flat surface. Here is an anti-tilt switch at the bottom, which automatically becomes a bridge connecting the kitchen surface to the machine's base. When the machine is not placed properly on a flat surface, it is not going to start to ensure safety. The machine has a suction knob which creates a firm grip at the base by allowing the air to exit, thus locking the scraper to the ground, giving it an absolute stability thanks to its anti-skid technology. All I have to do is lock the machine here, and look, it surely delivers what it says. a strong hold on the base. The Wise Coconut Scraper has an 8-part blade. The blades are constructed using high-quality food-grade stainless steel to ensure quality and reliability. The blade holder ensures attaching and detaching of the blade onto the machine safely when not in use. Since the blade holder is used to store the blade, it thereby makes the Wise Coconut Scraper really compact. This power button has a dual purpose. Once the power cord is plugged in, this button is used to switch on the machine. It also allows you to select the desired speed of the blades according to your need. The press switch on the top ensures that the machine functions only when attended by a user and stops immediately when the switch is released, thus ensuring safety. Let's scrape a coconut and see how this machine is a real blessing in the kitchen. Clean the surface as well as the bottom of the machine. Place the machine on a flat surface. Lock the suction knob. Use the blade holder to attach the blades to the machine. Plug in the power cord and switch on the button. As per your requirement, adjust the blade speed by pressing this power button on the lower or upper side for slow or fast grating speed respectively. Hold the coconut on the blade with one hand and use the other hand to push this press switch for the blades to rotate. This finely grated coconut flesh tastes as good as the one we get from the traditional coconut scraper. To clean the blade after use, wash it under tap water. After use, the machine is easy to clean. Just dry wipe. Wise Coconut Scraper comes with a 1-year warranty for the motor. This machine is strictly for household use only and should not be used for commercial purposes. Still desire for more? Well, you will get a knife sharpening stone free. To sharpen the knife at home, follow the process as shown. Instead of the blade, attach the knife sharpening stone on the scraper and spray some water on the stone. Select the desired speed and place the knife on the stone. Hold the press switch with one hand and use the other hand to move the knife back and forth. Then flip the knife to sharpen it from the other side. Once done, turn off the machine and detach the knife sharpening stone. For safety purpose, make sure the sharpening stone is away from the reach of kids and individuals who are differently abled. Also make sure not to operate the machine in explosive atmosphere, such as in the presence of flammable liquids, gas and dust. It's the right time to bring home this amazing product and experience a great convenience. It is so user-friendly that anybody in your family can now scrape a coconut effortlessly. So what are you waiting for? Be the smart woman and join the Wise Kitchen revolution.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm also sure that you will all subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be further notified for new videos.